Today, there are a number of sizable hydropower endeavors underway in Turkey. Our focus will be on a pair of these initiatives. Let's commence by examining a hydroelectric dam that is presently being constructed on the Karoki River, situated in the Black Sea province of Artvin. Additionally, we'll delve into the remarkable endeavor of the Turks in erecting the world's largest suspension bridge. The substantial hydroelectric power plant is currently nearing completion. Regrettably, as the project reaches its conclusion, the town of Yusufeli, positioned 8 kilometers or approximately 5 miles from the ongoing dam construction, will be submerged underwater. It's worth noting that throughout history, individuals have been engaged in the construction of structures intended to impede the flow of water, subsequently harnessing it for agricultural purposes. However, the dams constructed in earlier times display disparities when juxtaposed with contemporary structures. In the present day, these constructions represent an awe-inspiring fusion of engineering and technology. They feature expansive cement barriers adorned with floodgates and valves, erected traversing rivers. Simultaneously, the dam's elevation plays a pivotal role. The taller the dam, the more substantial its capacity for water retention. As for the forthcoming Eli Dam, it will reach an impressive height of 270 meters, securing its position as Turkey's loftiest and the world's 7th tallest dam. This dam belongs to the category of concrete arch dams. The foundation for its construction was laid on December 21, 2012. In relation to the utilization of La Dam, it will serve as the second largest component within the overarching Karuki River Development Scheme. This comprehensive plan encompasses the creation of 13 dams, of which 2 are currently operational and an additional 2 are in the process of being built. The primary objective of the dam is the generation of hydroelectric power, and it will provide support to a 540 megawatt power plant. The dam is subject to controversy due to its predicted impact on the reservoir's biodiversity, coupled with the relocation of local inhabitants. Turning our attention to a hydroelectric power plant, it is slated to produce 1.9 billion kilowatt-hours, boasting a combined capacity of 558 megawatts. Remarkably, this output is sufficient to cater to the needs of around 650,000 individuals. The freshly constructed hydropower dam, situated in the northeastern province of Artvin in Turkey, will contribute over $221 million annually to the economy. This extensive project was exclusively undertaken by Turkish engineers. Located 70 kilometers, 44 miles, southwest of Artvin, the town of Yusufeli will host a double-curved arch dam, standing at 270 meters in height from the base and 223 meters from the river's lowest point. Additionally, the dam will span 490 meters in length across its crest and possess a crest width of 15 meters. This colossal structure will be composed of an impressive 4 million cubic meters of concrete. For comparison, an equivalent amount of concrete is needed to construct 50,000 houses. The dam's crest elevation will reach 715 meters above sea level, while the reservoir will operate at normal levels between 710 and 712 meters, with a minimum of 670 meters. Encompassing a sprawling 33 square kilometers, the reservoir will hold a total storage capacity of 2 billion cubic meters, with an active storage capacity of 1 billion cubic meters. The dam will feature a spillway designed to handle a maximum capacity of 8,000 cubic meters. The dam's subterranean power plant, measuring 110 meters in length, 21.4 tenths of a meter in width, and 45.2 tenths of a meter in height, will house 3 vertical shaft Francis turbines, each generating 110 megawatts. With a rapid pace of concrete pouring, water will begin to accumulate, initiating power generation. Final inspections are currently underway before the dam commences full operation. A specialized cable crane system has been implemented on the construction site to facilitate the transportation of massive construction equipment. As soon as the Yusufeli Dam becomes operational, it is projected to yield an annual electricity output of 560 billion kilowatt-hours. This substantial energy generation, at an installed capacity of 1.9 megawatts, equates to fulfilling the yearly energy demand of a sizable city like Antalya. The commissioning of the Yusufeli hydroelectric dam will contribute a 2% increase to the nation's hydroelectric power generation capacity. This engineering marvel, the dam, will serve as an enduring testament to the capabilities of the Turkish people. Not only did this endeavor result in the construction of a significant dam, but it also involved the creation of 110 kilometers of roads, 45 tunnels, 22 bridges, and 92 culverts. It is anticipated that this project will inject a substantial $83.5 million annually into the country's economy and yield a return on investment within 7 years. The Dardanelles, spanning 120 kilometers in length and only 4 kilometers wide, historically posed a critical challenge for Turkey. As a pivotal waterway connecting the Black Sea to the Mediterranean Sea, the Dardanelles facilitated the movement of resources between resource-rich countries and the rest of the world. The Dardanelles, alongside the adjacent Bosphorus Strait, marks the boundary between Europe and Asia. Despite its significance, up until 2022, the continents were connected by merely 3 bridges and 2 tunnels, all located in Istanbul. This led to substantial traffic congestion and logistical issues. In 1988, the Turkish authorities initiated efforts to address this problem by embarking on a bridge-building project. However, political and economic factors led to its suspension in 1995. Over 2 decades later, in 2016, the Turkish government resurrected the project, with a local consortium of construction firms and 2 South Korean corporations securing the contract a year later. Construction commenced in September 2017. Enormous caissons were submerged to a depth of 40 meters, equipped with waterproof supports weighing 59,000 tons each. These caissons were reinforced with steel frames and equipped with platforms made from the same material. These platforms supported the construction of bridge bases, towering at a height of 318 meters. The Çanakkale 1915 bridge, featuring a central span of 23 meters, vies for the title of having the world's largest average span among suspension bridges. With a total length of 4,608 meters, the bridge's steel cables consist of 126 wires, amounting to about 162,000 kilometers, 100,000 miles, in length. To construct the main cables, 296 steel cables each measuring 4,330 meters were employed. In total, approximately 40,000 kilometers, 25,000 miles, of wire were used, equivalent to 4 times the Earth's circumference. The bridge and highway construction endeavor encompasses a suspension bridge, 2 access viaducts, 4 reinforced concrete viaducts, 6 underground bridges, 38 overpasses, 5 additional bridges, 43 underpasses, and 115 culverts of various sizes. This comprehensive project also includes 12 intersections, road facilities, maintenance and operation centers. With a central span of 23 meters, the Çanakkale Bridge 1915 is the world's longest of its kind. The bridge's construction was completed in an astonishing 4-year time frame, with a total cost reaching 2.545 billion euros. Engaging 5,100 people and utilizing 740 units of construction equipment, this remarkable achievement will lead to substantial economic benefits. This includes an annual saving of 415 million euros on fuel and emissions, a projected 5.5 billion euros positive impact on Turkish industry, the creation of 118,000 jobs, and a GDP increase of 2.4 billion euros. Significantly, the Çanakkale Bridge 1915 will provide an alternative, shorter route between Istanbul and the southeastern regions of Turkey, promote international tourism, expedite goods delivery, and facilitate transportation between Asia and Europe. By eliminating the need for ferries across the Dardanelles, the bridge will usher in a new era of efficient connectivity and economic growth. Hope that this video would be very informative and entertaining for you. For more such videos, must like and subscribe to our channel Saftium.